Today I am going to tell about the Python data types, which is list. So I will be teaching you. So this is the topic which I want to teach to you. So just concentrate on a Python list. So what do you mean by list? So it's in the name also we can pronounce. Based on the name, you can determine like list of data we can collect or we can take from the list. So that is called list. Like we can take from the like for example, one box is there. Inside the box you have been kept cube. So the list has the functionalities to take from top element, like this element we can take it up, or it has functionalities to take from bottom element, and it has functionalities to take middle element. So this is the functionalities. So right now we will see the main code of it. So first of all I will run this, then we will see the main code, what it happens, how the theory works in the practical way. So first of all, this is the way. So this is the basic define of it. So right now we are showing the basic things of practically in the coding. So for example, like customer is coming to the shop. Customer is coming to the shop. If the customer is regular customer, so we have to store this name. For example, Rasad is the regular customer, so we have to store it in the list. First of all, this customer name we have to check it in the txt file of existing customer name, and we have to keep this name into the keys and values file. So later on we will discuss about the dictionary, but in the case of value we will create one list, so that the Prasad, the only one Prasad is the regular customer. If 50 customer has been regularly monitored by the existing txt file, existing customer txt file, so that list name will be coming here: Prasad, Jayabalan, Rahul. So a lot of list name will be coming here into it. So it's like one key will be there. So key will be the customer name. So inside key name, customer list will be there. So like this formations will be there. So that means if you want to remove the if for example Jayabalan is not coming for 3 months to that shop, so the name should be removed. So the automation process will be taken places, like the existing customer will be checked by the real time customers, and if it doesn't comes in the period of 3 months, then automatically the value, for example, so that code also we will mention you. So that cases we will go by for loop. So this is the case. So go by for loop is like for loop I in uh, so this customer looping. So we have to go inside this customer. So customer, after that so here the customer is like customer name will be coming. So inside the customer name, what all the list, so inside the list will be there. So if we print it, if you have to check it, if condition, if I is equal to existing customer name, then continue, else we have to delete that customer so customers like so we will create one count here, so that the index value we will get it out, index. So we will increase the count here. So this we kept as a count, so we will delete this through this. If the customer is existing, it will be checking up, this will be checking up, we will keep on a period month of 3 months. So we have to keep the date will be here. If condition, here it will be the date conditions, like if the one time it will be checked, this approaches will be checked for 3 months period. So like that, list will be used and the dictionary will be used inside it. So this is the list concept.